Hi guys, just here to show, wanted to show a lovely talented beader, Jennifer. Hi Jennifer, and everyone else, because I never did a video of what I made with Jessie Jane's beads, which is the best beads subscription box ever, with last month's bead box. Songs of Spring. I never showed what I made. I thought I did, but I didn't. So anyway, so that's what I've got left over. I couldn't for the life of me find the hole. I even used the really thin elastic bead and I still couldn't find it. Yeah, so that's what I got left over, which isn't much. And this is what I made. I made a gorgeous, and I love these new bags. Awesome. Oh, I didn't end up using this gorgeous thing. So yeah, let me show you what I made. I had a dry spell. I wasn't doing these for ages. So yeah. Oh, damn. Sorry, I just want to quickly put that back in. Okay. Well, see, that's why I can't do lives, you see, because I swear. Anyway, you can just pretend it's there. Okay. So they're my earrings. That's the bracelet. I'm really proud of myself the way I did that. I'll tell you in a minute why. So we'll start with the bracelet. So this was all elastic, and I actually threaded the elastic through this filigree here. So I threaded it through both of them. That's why I can't really lift that, because I'm scared I might break it. So yeah, it's just a normal stretch, you know, the stretch ones. So I just got it and I threaded it through the holes. Do you know what I mean? Just at the top. And yeah, I did the same with the gold and this one. And then I wanted something in here, so I thought, okay, I'll do that, and I'll just hang it from here like that. Originally I thought of doing something to make it stay straight like that, so it looks, but then I thought, oh, I'm not going to be that pedantic, so what if it just hangs to one side? Do you know what I mean? Sorry. Yeah, and then the only thing I done here was I did these beads here, as you can see. I used those, and then I just got the jump rings to hang these. So hold on. So there we go. So on this side you got, I didn't want it to be too matchy, so on this side I done the flower, and this side the bird, and I just put them on eye pins and then used no, I just put it straight on. I didn't want it hanging too much, obviously. I just put it straight on without using a jump ring, because I didn't want it dangling off it too much. So yeah, it's no fuss. I hate trying to do, you know, especially because I have long nails most of the time. So it's really easy to get off and on. So that's the bracelet. The necklace was kind of like a happy accident. It wasn't what I was originally going for, but I like the way it turned out. Okay. There we go. So this is the part that you hang around your neck. Of course, this was from another bead box, but Jessie James. And it hangs like this. There we go. I'll just take it off here. There we go. So it starts from here. So you've got that little flower there. So I done like 3. So 1, 2, 3. And it's joined to this here. So it's kind of similar to this, where it's kind of joined. But here I just added the flower. I'm just seeing how I kind of did that there. There. Can you see that? That's how I clipped the flower on. See that? Like that. Yeah, I think I just would have cut a piece of chain, like one of those metal things. And where's the other one gone? And this one here. Hold on, let me just put you down for a sec. Yeah. And then this one here, I just put through there with a jump ring, like that. There we go. And yeah, this is the main bead. And then those two, I was thinking of doing earrings, but I thought, no, we'll leave it. And then at the bottom here is a little bit of a dangle, and then so that kind of ties in with that part. And also these over here, the flowers and the birds, tie in with these over here as well. What I might do is see if I can include pictures of these at the end of my videos. It's not really given. I don't know if you can picture how it looks like while it's on. So basically that's on around your neck, and then that kind of hangs down the front, if that makes sense. And then, of course, the earrings. These are the earrings. Yeah. Yeah, thanks for watching. Okay, bye.